In this Huawei configuration lesson, we will focus on link aggregation. We will configure link aggregation lag between two Huawei switches. Firstly, let's do the physical connections of our switches. We will connect 3 ports of switch A to 3 ports of switch B. After starting our switches, we can start to configure link aggregation on switch A. Firstly, we are using system view command to enter the config mode. Then we will create our lag interface with interface Eth-Trunk trunk ID command. Here our trunk ID is 10. Then we will go under physical interfaces and we will add them to Eth-Trunk. To do this, we will use Eth-Trunk trunk ID command. For this configuration, our command will be Eth-Trunk 10. Lastly, we will save our configuration with save command. After completing link aggregation configuration on switch A, it is time to do the same configuration on the other end on switch B. Again, we create Eth-Trunk interface firstly, then we go under each interface and add it to the Eth-Trunk interface. We have finished link aggregation configuration on both switches. Now, let's verify our configuration. To verify Huawei Link Aggregation, we can use display Eth-Trunk command. Here we can see the interfaces under this lag. Display Eth-Trunk 10 command also gives the same information. We can also use display interface brief command to see interfaces under lag. Our aggregated interfaces are under Eth-Trunk, as you can see. Let's also check switch B configuration. Our aggregated interfaces are here. This is basically how to configure link aggregation on Huawei switches. If you like this video, do not forget to like and share with your friends. Good luck!